This is Hawk.
Pull, Hawk, pull, little boy, come on.
Pull. How to break that cart off to the side and get it going.
Pull, pull, pull.
All right, give it a big round of applause.
Oh, I need girl. Let's go, I need good girl. All the way. Come on, Ace. Good girl. Bring it, bring it, bring it. Come on, come on, come on. Tamuli. Come on, girl. Come on. Bring it here. Tamuli. Hey. Bring it here. Come here. No, 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 no. No. Come on now. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh, quit this. This is nonsense. Come on. Let's go. Hey. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
All right, that's just messing with the 8-year-old Alaskan Malamute. Recently came back to the Buffaloes.
Asian Paul! 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 Come on, Asian Paul!
And then going back to the 4-year-old Alaskan, no, 6-year-old Alaskan Malamute. Handled by John Schultz out of Spring Green.
Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Come on, girl. Come on.
Wakeful Excellent title.
Come on. Let's go. Bring it here.
Title.
Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Trello, come here. Come on. Trello. Come on. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here.
Blizzard is handled by Steve out of Watertown. Siberian Husky, almost 2 years old. This is the first year pulling, but this dog has already pulled 3,000 pounds on a wheel cart before.
Hike, Blizzard! Hike, hike, hike! Come on, puppy! Hike, hike, hike! Come on, Blizzy! Come on! Hike, hike, hike! Come on, hike! Get up here! Get up here! Come on, let's go! Hike, Blizzard! Come on, Blizzard! Bring it here! Come on, hike! Come on, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! There you go! Come on, let's go! Come on, let's go! Hike! Blizzard! Come here and bow! Let's go! Come here and bow! Let's go! Come here and bow! Right here! Come on, let's go! Hike, 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 hike! Come on! Come on! Come on! Hike, 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 hike! Hike!
Alright, give
Blizzard!
this
Yeah!
surprise, the first one here. This is Lucy, 6-year-old Alaskan Malamute, handled by Jen from Fort Atkinson.
Pull, Lucy, pull. Pull, Lucy, pull. Get up. Lucy, pull, 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 pull. Lucy, pull, 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 pull. Pull, Lucy. Pull, Lucy.
Alright, give Lucy a round of applause.
Good. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Embryo is a 1.5-year-old Alaskan Malamute.
Come on, boy. You got it. Come on, buddy. Bring it here. Come on, buddy. Bring it. Come on, buddy. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, Embryo. Come on, buddy. Come on. You got it. You got it. Let's go. Come on, boy. Bring it. Bring it. Embryo. Come on, boy. Come on. Embryo. Come on, boy. Come on. You got it. Come on, boy. You got it.
All right.